Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show how to uninstall PhpStorm IDE standalone instance completely from Linux and Ubuntu. Let's get started. First, delete the installation directory. My case, the installation directory is OPT. So we can delete this directory with this command sudo rm-rf/opt and product name and version. Hit enter. Enter password. Okay, now remove the following directories. So use this command rm-rf. The path is config JetBrains and product name and version. Hit enter. Delete another directories rf cache JetBrains and PHP. Okay, and also remove PhpStorm IDE from local share JetBrains PhpStorm. Hit enter. Now log out the system, or you can restart the system. If you like this video, give a like for this video, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.